Thank you for joining us at the Subsaharapost.com as the war rages on in the Tigray region and the northern part of the Amhara region. Ethnic violence has begun in the Wolloo province of the Amhara region. Now, the Wolloo province of the Amhara region houses a large number of ethnic Oromos in the towns of Ataye and the surrounding villages. This past day, violence broke out after local residents say that the Amhara Special Forces, which are the regional police force of the Amhara state, and the Amhara militiamen, the Fano specifically, came to the town of Ataye, killed a local imam, and began to burn schools, mosques, and residential property of the residents of the town of Ataye. Now, the local residents say that the attacks were targeted towards ethnic Oromos. After the Oromo special forces left the area, the ethnic Oromos armed themselves to defend themselves against the Fano militia, and ethnic clashes began. Now, the Amhara State Police and the Amhara Prosperity Party, the local government, has blamed the Oromo Liberation Army, but the Oromo Liberation Army says that they are not in the region or the province. They don't operate in that area, and they say that the perpetrators of the crimes are the Amhara militia. Now, dozens of people have been killed. There are horrendous pictures that are coming out of the region. Hospitals were attacked. People that were being treated in the hospital were killed. Those killed were ethnic Oromos. The violence is just horrendous.